High-ranking studio.
My friend replaced a split air conditioner. Inverter type separated air conditioner. It's awesome. It's so fun to play with defective products. It also comes with a remote control. Power it on and try it out. Pick up the remote control and press the start button. Oh, the indoor unit won't work at all. Oh my god, outdoor unit is exploded. This chip exploded. But it's all blown up. How do I know its number? The game hasn't started yet. This machine has become scrap. We'll try to fix the indoor machine first. Then the indoor unit has really repaired. Everyone has seen this story. If you want to understand this story, you can watch the previous film. This circuit board has been pressed in the dark corner by me. Now clean it up, then let's start working. Use a multimeter to find the faulty part. Hey, this inductor is broken. According to the parts on the circuit board of the indoor unit, the chip is LNK304PN. This chip has been blown up. Of course, it is to be replaced. The first question, this chip replacement is 2 same points. Next is the basic question, the broken inductor. You see, one chip and one inductor. Are we going to solve the problem smoothly this time? High-ranking magic. Hey, the chip is coming. This also can be changed. I got the I-type inductor. First, solder the chip. Install a new inductor. Non-woven fabric with clean nappa. Have ventilation when working. This work stopped for almost 2 months. I have forgotten the wiring memory of this circuit board. Will the installation go smoothly? Pirate King is not what I want to say about you. You had delayed this matter too long. Then you look innocently at the camera and pretend to be okay. You have to do this yourself. I hesitate. An air conditioner has been repaired for so long. Pirate King is really useless. Not professional at all. Oh no. I have never received professional training. I have never felt professional. I just like DIY and this feeling. Having said so much, it's not strong enough. Pirate King, you have been stigmatized like this. Are you out to work? Do you still have to stress? Now install the main board of the outdoor unit. Right, you need to turn on the light to see clearly. Don't install it wrong. There is a wiring diagram on the outer cover of the circuit board. Don't just use memory to wire it, it's very dangerous. Here comes the indoor unit is here. After the joint is locked, it can be vacuumed and filled with refrigerant. Or plug in the power. It is prodded in the last test. I'm going to power on and try. If there are problems after power on, we will deal with it. In this situation, it's recommended to send power from the power box. Power on. Great! The light on the circuit board is on. Am I going to fix it perfectly again? The photographer is also getting excited. Let me add a bit of a refrigerant first to avoid the safety device blocking the test. After vacuuming and adding refrigerant, we will start testing now. Hope a little more luck. It depends on this time. Press the start button. Oh, it's working! Hey, wait a second. Why didn't the outdoor unit fan work? Hey brother, wake up and start making trouble. Oh, there is a fault code. F0, outdoor fan failure. Oh my goodness, why is everything broken? Measure fan input voltage, 330 volt. Normal. But VCC only has 122 volts. Speed control signal line. Its voltage can reach 7 volts. It should be no problem. This fan motor is not right. Take it apart and check it. Embarrassed, its main control chip exploded, and I can buy it in Taiwan. Taobao sells one piece not including shipping cost, 300 Taiwan dollars. You don't know if they want to sell it. Okay, let's check this circuit board again. The repair of this air conditioner is not very smooth now. It is very challenging. This is more difficult than I thought. Take a look. Oh, it's going to fail. You are gaining sympathy, right? Friends, let me tell you secretly. It's taken me more than 10 hours to find the fault point of this circuit board. The circuit board of the indoor unit was also removed by me for reference, but I still can't find it. So now I'm going to make a record here. It would be great if I could really fix the outdoor unit. This time is too challenging.
King, go! Go! King, go! Go!
Editor, don't make trouble. My head is already hurting. Finally, I removed all the part of the VCC circuit for inspection. Then I found this stranger malfunction inductor. This is it. If you don't desolder it, you won't see it's a problem. You see, there is a feeling of a leakage of its solution at the bottom. This problem is hard to find and about to fail. The next two are 1 mH and 470 mH inductors. Measure the difference between their resistance values. First, measure 1 mH inductor. About 5 ohms. How about 470 mH? About 2.5 ohms. Now measure this broken inductor. .5. You may say different, but if it's soldered on the circuit board, it really can't be judged. It's apart where there'll be a clue. The two manufacturing are different, so I'm still thinking about it. Freaking magic! Use the inverter fan motor. Based on the previous experience, I think the original factory should not sell me. So I found a useless substitute. After the screws are locked, the wiring is ready. Remember to cut off the power. The voltage here is over 300 volts. Now put on the fan blades. Here comes again. The remote control comes again. We start testing. The indoor unit starts operating. The fan is working. Wait a minute, the motor is reversed. Regardless, if there are no other problems, we can replace the fan blades. Awesome! The fan turns faster and faster. Now the shield is not installed and passed by the side. There are two tubes, one ice and the other warm. You hear this is the sound of the compressor running. This is true. Great! Finally succeed. This episode of the video will stop here. Stop and try. Oh, it will automatically dissipate heat after stopping. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirating Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. See you next time.